Hello everyone and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I am going to make veg tandoori fish tikka. It's a very simple and tasty recipe, so let's begin making it. Before that, do not forget to subscribe my channel. Now here I have taken half cup of soybean dal which I have soaked in warm water for almost 2 hours. The dal has risen up double in the volume. It looks nice. Here I have taken 1 cup of soybean chunks. Now boil it. You can take soybean granules also. Now after boiling, the soybean looks like this. Add it in a mixer grinder. Add the dal and make a fine paste. The paste should be thick. Do not add more water. We require a thick consistency of the paste. Now in it add some chopped chilies, some chopped coriander. Add 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes. Add half teaspoon of cumin powder. Add half teaspoon of garam masala. Add salt according to your taste. Squeeze 1 lemon or add 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. The spices will give a nice flavor to the paste. Mix everything nicely till well combined. In it add half teaspoon of baking powder or meetha soda. Mix nicely. Now in it add 1 cup of maida and make a dough out of it. You can increase the amount of maida to make a nice dough. Our dough is looking nice. Now keep it fridge to rest for 20-30 minutes. After 30 minutes our dough look like this. It's set. Now on a clean slab or board sprinkle some flour. Now take out a small portion of the dough and cover it in the flour. It will be a little sticky, do not worry about that. Now make a nice ball and flatten it out. Now using your hands, make the shape of a fish. Keep the sides thin and middle thick. Our fish is looking nice and it's ready to swim in the boiled water. Now very carefully drop the fish into the boiling water. Be extra careful as the fish tends to break. Now boil it for 5 to 8 minutes or till it becomes solid like. When our fish is ready, take it out and drop it in cold water so that the cooking process stops. Now for tikka marination, in a bowl add 1/3 cup of hung curd. In it add the spices like red chili powder, black pepper, garam masala, fruit chaat, roasted besan or salt. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Add 1 teaspoon of green chili paste. Now mix everything nicely. Now add a little of red food color. The food color will give it a nice look and texture. Now in it add 2 teaspoons of melted butter or oil. Now mix nicely and the tikka marination is ready. Now apply the marination very nicely on the fish. You can use a plate for easy marination process. Apply the marination on both the sides of the fish nicely. Now on a grill pan or a non-stick pan, apply some butter or oil and take out the fish on the pan. Now cook the fish very nicely on medium-low flame. Very carefully flip the fish. It looks nice. Our fish is looking nice and smells amazing. Now for a smoky flavor, add the burning coal and oil and cover it when the smokes are coming out of it. You can skip the step if you want. On a wire rack, brush it with some oil or butter. Now place the fish on the wire rack and cook the fish like this on the gas flame. When the black patches appears on it, it means it's ready. Now take it out on a plate. Now sprinkle some chaat masala all over it and garnish it with some chopped coriander. Our tandoori veg fish is looking nice and tasty and smells amazing. Please do try it at home. It's a must-try recipe. Hope you like it. Share it with your friends and please hit the like button. Subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.